What is the wrongful death law in New York, and how does the wrongful death law work with respect to these lawsuits and claims? Well, in the first instance, a wrongful death claim is just like any other personal injury accident because it can happen due to a variety of cases. It could happen because of a car accident with a drunk driver, any kind of motor vehicle, trucking, motorcycle, bus crash. It could happen at a construction site, medical malpractice, nursing home. So because it can happen in a variety of ways, a wrongful death claim can arise out of any of these personal injury accidents. But the difference is found in the Estate, Powers, and Trusts law, known as the EPTL, because New York is very restrictive. The law is antiquated and very old, and it really is a pecuniary loss statute. And what that means is they look at the surviving spouse, the surviving children, and other family members who become the beneficiaries or distributees. And what they really strive to do is they look at how the family members relied on the deceased person's financial support. And now, what are the financial losses that the family suffered because this individual died? And that's what the statute focuses on. So it's very important to hire an attorney that's familiar with wrongful death, who can hire the right financial analysts and experts to put together the proper proof under the law to obtain maximum compensation and full justice. The other component of wrongful death deals with conscious pain and suffering prior to death. If you can prove conscious pain and suffering, a knowing understanding, of an ability to feel pain, even if it's just a few seconds prior to death, you can recover compensation for that. And there is also a claim for fear of impending death, but it has to be a knowing fear that death will occur. And there's case law on that as to what qualifies and what doesn't. The big difference with some other states is that in New York, if a family member, such as let's say a wife on behalf of a deceased husband who had a fatal accident, a family member cannot recover for pure emotional distress and grief. They cannot recover just by the fact that their husband has died and they're so sad. That's not allowed. It is allowed if they were in what's known as the zone of danger. But for that to apply, the wife would have to be, for example, sitting as a passenger in a car and watching her husband die after a car wreck. In that sense, because she's in the zone of danger so immediately close and she's witnessing it, she could recover under that claim. And we've had zone of danger claims that we have been successful in obtaining the entire insurance policy because they're very powerful claims. But if you're not in the zone of danger, for example, if the accident happens at a construction site and you get a phone call, you can't recover just for the emotional and the mental anguish, which hopefully the legislature will change in the coming years because that is an antiquated law. And the other component that's very often employed in wrongful death cases is known as loss of parental care and parental guidance. So for example, if someone passes away, then the children can have a claim not only for loss of financial support, but also for that loss of parental care, parental guidance, loss of education that they would have received had their father or mother who passed away been able to continue providing that care and guidance. So I hope this has been helpful. This is just a brief overview of the law with respect to wrongful death in the state of New York. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.